Harry, James here from Kicks in Maryland, and I'm back there another view. Back in April, Nike SB dropped a new skate shoe. Well, it wasn't really new, it was actually just a reinvention of the Air Force One. They retooled it a little bit to kind of give skaters a better feel, and they kind of released a really nice grayish colorway with like a gum sole and came with pink laces. They've released a couple of colorways since then, and then now we get the latest colorway, which is going to be this chocolate brown. It dropped last week in skate shops, and it's going to be dropping on the sneakers app on Tuesday. So I'm going to take it out of the box, we'll take a look at it, and you see what you think. All right, so here it is. Before I actually get into the shoe, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I really would appreciate it. And then also follow me along on socials at Kicks for Maryland. Also a shout out to Premier Skateboarding out in Detroit for hooking me up with this pair. So as you can see, it comes in this nice brown chocolate colorway with essentially just brown and black. Midsole is real heavy black with a nice suede swoosh on the side. And then you get the leather Nike SB on the back. So the retooling aspect of the shoe, kind of three main areas that they focused on. One was just reinforcing the seams, kind of came with a extra kind of reinforced sewing technique that they used to really make it obviously stronger for regular wear and tear. Midsole on the shoe was also narrowed down a little bit to give it a better feel, along with a air unit being placed in the heel for kind of any sort of impact. It then came with a slightly different sole. It still looks the same as an Air Force One, but they did modify it a little bit, especially on the outside with this herringbone pattern to give better grip obviously on the skateboard itself. Inside, you get a little bit of an extra cup feel on the inside of the shoe that kind of really locks down your foot for if you want to wear them essentially laced or unlaced is up to you, but it's going to give that skater a really secure feel. This pair comes with an extra pair of black laces that obviously matches the swoosh and the midsole, but I think keeping with the brown rope lace is going to be your best bet. So I think the pair that originally released in this gray kind of pinkish colorway, very, very nice feel. You definitely felt an extra level of comfort in the sole of the shoe compared to your regular Air Force Ones, which can be a little bit tough at times. And then also just the feeling as a whole was just a lot more comfort to the shoe, not just on the footbed where you get this extra midsole, but just around the top of your shoe with the extra padded collar like you see in an SB Dunk and so forth. So definitely a nice model. This chocolate suede looks really, really good, and I feel like for those who do skate, kind of wearing it down would be kind of a nice, give you that kind of what do I say, individual feel to your shoe. So yeah, so again, I'll definitely take some on-foot shots of it. And again, please hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Follow me along on socials at Kicks in Maryland, and I'll be back again with another review soon.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be a loner, some can't stay sober.